It's the word of the day. Let's expand our vocabulary. Word of the day. Let's increase our vocabulary. Word of the day. Let's broaden our vocabulary. Word of the day. Let's enlarge our vocabulary. Word of the day. It's time for the word of the day. It's time for the word of the day. Let's go to the word of the day.
Today's word of the day is betide. Can you say betide? Good job. I heard you. You were super loud. Betide has 2 syllables. Betide. Yeah. Betide means happen. Betide is also a verb. Remember, verbs are action words. Awesome! Here's a sentence with the word betide. Sally and her best friend Sarah promised to remain friends regardless of what may betide them. That was an amazing sentence. Synonyms for betide are occur, come about, come to pass, befall, or transpire. Remember, synonyms are words that are similar or alike. Can you use the word betide in a sentence? You can? Oh my God, I'm so proud of you. You now know a new word. Yay!